If you want to make it easier for people to book time with you, adding your Calendly link to LinkedIn is one of the simplest things you can do. It helps turn profile visitors into real meetings, saves time back and forth in messages, and gives people a direct way to reach you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add your Calendly link to LinkedIn in just a few easy steps. If you find this helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign in to your Calendly account. Once you're inside Calendly, go to your event types. This is where you'll find the meeting type you want to share, like a demo call, consultation, or discovery meeting. Select the event you want to use, and then look for the copy link option. Click copy link to copy your Calendly scheduling link to your clipboard. Now that your link is ready, open LinkedIn in your browser and go to your profile. From there, look for the website section or the contact info section, depending on how you want the link to appear. If you want it visible right on your profile, adding it to the website field is usually the best option. Paste your Calendly scheduling link into that field. Make sure the link is pasted correctly and that there aren't any extra spaces or missing characters. This matters because a clean link helps people open your booking page without any issues. After that, click Save to update your profile. Once you save your changes, your Calendly link will now be available on your LinkedIn profile for visitors to see and use. At this point, it's a good idea to view your profile as a visitor and double check that the link appears exactly where you want it. If needed, you can always go back and edit the link later, swap it out for a different Calendly event, or update the wording in your profile summary to make it even clearer. This is a great small improvement if you're using LinkedIn for networking, sales, recruiting, freelancing, or client outreach. It gives people a direct path to book with you instead of waiting for a message exchange. And that's it. You've successfully added your Calendly link to LinkedIn. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.